If you use Cursor AI every day, changing your keyboard shortcuts can make your workflow feel a lot faster and more comfortable. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change keyboard shortcuts in Cursor AI step by step, so you can customize the app to match the way you work. This is especially helpful if you're coming from another editor, if you want to speed up common actions, or if you just want shortcuts that feel more natural. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once the app is open, look to the top right corner of the cursor window and click the gear icon. That gear icon is where Cursor keeps its settings, preferences, and customization options. If you've never been into the settings before, don't worry, this is where all the key app controls live. After you click the gear icon, the settings menu will appear. From there, click the General tab. This tab contains the main app options, including the area where you can manage your keyboard shortcuts. Cursor organizes these settings so you can quickly find the features you need without digging through too many menus. Now, scroll or look through the general settings until you find keyboard shortcuts. This is the section you need if you want to customize the key combinations Cursor uses for different actions. Once you see keyboard shortcuts, click into that area to open the shortcut editor. This is where you can view, update, and fine-tune the commands that matter most to you. Inside the keyboard shortcut section, you'll see the available shortcut commands listed out. From here, choose the shortcut you want to change. Depending on your version of Cursor, you may be able to search for a specific action or browse through the list manually. For example, you might want to change a command for opening chat, triggering an AI action, or running a common editor function faster. To edit a shortcut, click on the current key binding next to the command, then press the new keyboard combination you want to use. Cursor will usually detect your input right away and assign that shortcut if it's available. If the shortcut conflicts with another command, Cursor may warn you, and that's your sign to choose a different combination. It's a good idea to pick shortcuts that are easy to remember and won't interfere with the shortcuts you already use every day. If you want to change more than one shortcut, you can repeat the same process for each command. Take your time here, especially if you're setting up Cursor to match your personal workflow. A few well-chosen shortcut changes can save you a lot of clicks over time and make the app feel much smoother to use. After you've updated your shortcuts, make sure the changes are saved. In many cases, Cursor applies them automatically, but it's always worth checking that the new shortcut appears correctly in the list. If you ever want to go back and adjust something again, just return to the same settings area, open the General tab, and edit the shortcut once more. That's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to change keyboard shortcuts in Cursor AI in just a few simple steps. A small customization like this can make a big difference in your day-to-day coding or editing workflow, especially if you spend a lot of time inside the app. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Cursor AI tutorials, productivity tips, and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.